So today's topic is the CPU scheduling. So those who don't know about CPU scheduling is because the reason why this is kind of important, because if you look at the operating system concept, operating system does do like memory management, and it also doing some kind of resource grouping. When process is being made in the operating system, and it has to be managed, because if you click some kind of application in your laptop, this app is it's actually the program. So the meaning of the program is that it's a bunch of instructions, and when you're trying to run it, it became the process. Then process is also called the running instance of program, but this application this application is trying to be a process. But what if there's multiple applications that you are trying to run, and if the other process is kind of interrupt the next process, there's gonna be issue of it, because what the scheduling has to be done is it has to be seems like doing concurrently. If you look at the perspective of concurrent in this kind of computer science world, there's no concurrent thing in computer science, because there's also value in our real world, because the meaning of concurrent, it seems like doing it same time, but actually it's not. If you look at the marathon, the two people, example, there's two people trying to go to the it seems like, example, there's some kind of situation that two athletes, they go to the same time, but when they analyze the seconds up in milliseconds, there should be some kind of difference of it, and people say this is kind of concurrent, because they go to the end line at the same time, but it's not. If you look at it closely, it's not concurrent. There's slight difference of it, but that is kind of valid in the computer science, and those kind of CPU scheduling is really rapid that it seems like concurrency. And when the CPU scheduling is happening, the process state it changes. So it's like stop. I forgot the state of it, and there's like running state, and ready state, and a running state, and there's like terminate state, but whatever stuff, those other things. So this is kind of brief introduction of like CPU scheduling, because I think next video I'm just gonna talk about like advanced or the type of CPU scheduling. Example, they're like FCFS, and this like round robin thing. Round robin is basically, it's like time slicing based on the priority. So because, example, there are multiple process. If the one process takes a lot of times, it's gonna be block the next process. So the round robin is the one who slice this kind of time for it and make it like how to say it? Make it like race condition or those kind of things. So this is the Have a nice day. See you next time. Bye bye.